last lecture we have dedicated to typecasting functionality explanations. In this one, I'll be talking more about narrowing, but this time in interfaces. Okay, so these console logs we can freely remove. Okay, and let's work with our persons. Okay, so we have here person, business person, academic person. I will create here a new type from these interfaces, type. Okay, we can call it multi-person, or we can call it simply human maybe. Human type. And human type will be union of two types, of the business person and academic person. So I'll write here union of the business person and union of academic person. Now I will log this out in my, we don't have here a function log person, so I will just create it very quick. So function log person info. We are expecting to get here a human and a human type. All right, and now I would like to work with this human with the narrowing, so I will access here specific properties of the business person and academic person, because now I have only properties what they have in a common, because of course we are using unions of a business and academic person. Okay, so I will show you a very interesting way. What we can do, we can define here an interface, any property, you can call it as you want. I will call it kind. And let's say kind of the person can be either, it can be business, or, I'll write here, or it can be academic. Now when I'm creating here a type for a business person, I will extend this kind, and you will see here, okay, let me write here, we can write here business. Okay, and here will be academic person, will have a kind of the academic, of course. Okay, and now in our function, log person info, I can write here a switch statement, or I can write here if statement. In this case, let's write here if statement for a change. If statement, if the human dot kind is equal. Now you can see here I'm getting here very nice up to completion. I can either choose between an academic or a business. There are no other types of the person. All right, so I can choose here academic, console log. Now I can just get here academic person. Else statement, there is no other cases, or we can write here else if. We can check here for a human dot kind is equal. Now you can see here, now I can choose only from a business. Okay, because I already choose academic here. Okay, otherwise this. And there else statement, console log out human. Okay, console log human here. And console log human here. So now you can see here will be academic human. Okay, look at it here. This will be academic. This will be business. And this, you can guess, what is this? This will be never. Okay, this case shouldn't occur when we'll pass here human. Human can only have two types. If I will get here some other type, like this. Now we have here choose from three types. This is still never, because we are not we don't have here any other type with the other type, other person with the other type. So when I will write here, for example, I'll continue in the chain if a human dot kind is equal. You can see here I cannot even choose here. You can see here I'm getting here error. Property kind does not exist on a type never, because the other case should not occur. I have here only academic and the business person, I'm assigning here. So this case only even shouldn't occur. So you can see I'm getting here warning. So that's a very good case for a never. So if I will start writing here else if statement, I can see this shouldn't even occur. So I don't need to write here else if, and I can just write here, for example, else statement, and I can completely omit this. And this human will be for sure business person. Okay, so that's the way how you can narrow types. Of course, I can write here more of the narrowing. I can write here new person, let's say new person. Okay, and this new person will have a kind of this other type, I will say here. And this will have also some special property, let's say special string. All right, so now the human is union of a business person, academic person, and this one here with a kind of a other type and a special, which is a string. That doesn't make much sense. But now the case here is that the else statement here and a human, you can see here. Now the human here with a narrowing can be either business person or this kind of a special. Okay, so now I cannot narrow it down completely. I cannot get here now these types of the business persons. I need to get here now else if statement. I need to specify here human.kind equal, and now I can choose here from a business or other type. I'll choose here business. Then I will go with the else statement now. Else statement, then console log human will be, you can guess what will be. What we'll get here this last type will be specified, which is a kind of the other type and a special. So if I will get here with the else if statement, I will get here human.kind is the other type. This is this other type else. We can get here, we'll get here. We should get here never type. Okay, so that's how the narrowing works. That should be it, guys. Let's continue next lecture.